Quick reading for March the 1st to March the 7th. Sagittarius, your cards are the Hermit, the Page of Cups, and the Knight of Pentacles. Parang meron dito nagkakagusto na ayaw lang sabihin, no? Kung sino siya. Siguro nahihiya because probably they feel like they are a bit mature. So nakakakita tayo dito ng it could be a May-December love affair, no? Pwede rin namang hindi, baka konti lang yung age gap, pero nahihiya pa rin siya dahil parang it felt like there's huge difference between you. If we're not talking about the numbers, it could be the status in life, no? Baka mayaman siya, or baka mahirap siya. Feeling niya mayaman ka, or mahirap siya. So medyo nahihiya. Sagittarius, nakakita tayo dito ng kahit ganun pa man, it felt like alam niya, at alam mo, na meron kayong pagtitinginan. Non-verbal, pero nagkakaintindihan kayo. So this is your quick reading for March the 1st to March the 7th, Sagittarius.
My name is Daphne, but spirit calls me back.